Handling an account review on WhatsApp can be a straightforward process if you know the right steps to take. Follow this guide to navigate through the review effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with the reasons why WhatsApp may initiate an account review. This could be due to suspicious activity, violation of terms of service, or reports from other users. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any communication from WhatsApp in your registered email. They may provide details about the review and any necessary actions you need to take. Step 3. Gather required information. Prepare any relevant information that may be requested by WhatsApp. This could include your phone number, account details, and any recent changes you made to your account. Step 4. Respond promptly. If WhatsApp requests additional information or clarification, respond as quickly as possible. Delays in communication can prolong the review process. Step 5. Be patient. After submitting the required information, wait for WhatsApp to complete the review. This process can take time, so be patient and avoid creating multiple inquiries, as this may complicate the situation. In conclusion, handling an account review on WhatsApp requires understanding the process, responding promptly, and being patient. Following these steps can help ensure smoother resolution.